Once upon a time, in the quiet streams and lakes of nature, lived a tiny crustacean that packed a mighty punch, the humble crayfish. Known by many names, mudbug, crawdad, or freshwater lobster, crayfish have been part of human diets for centuries. But did you know, behind that hard shell lies a powerhouse of nutrients? Crayfish is not just delicious, it's a low-calorie, high-protein food perfect for those chasing fitness goals or just looking to eat clean. With around 15 grams of protein per 100 grams, crayfish helps in muscle growth, repair, and keeping you full longer. It's also rich in essential nutrients like vitamin B12, selenium, iron, and zinc, boosting energy, supporting your immune system, and improving brain function. Who knew this little guy was a superfood in disguise? And the best part? It brings people together. Whether it's a backyard boil or a fancy seafood dinner, crayfish turns meals into memories. So next time you see crayfish, don't just see seafood, see strength, wellness, and a bite full of health. Eat smart, eat well. Subscribe for more healthy diets tips.